So I'm Joshua Schaub, and we're down here at Grand Valley. Great rental market for just students, young professionals down here. The west side's really taken off, so we figured that's an appropriate spot to talk about investing. So today we're going to talk about two types of rental properties that you might be purchasing. When you first look at it, the first type would be a low price property where you put a low amount of repairs into it. By doing that, you have initially a small investment in this property. It won't be as high. Let's say you find a $70,000, $80,000 property, you put $20,000 into it. You're sitting with $100,000, $110,000 into your final costs. But the problem with properties like that, what you might run into is those properties, the cheaper they are, they tend to be in neighborhoods that don't appreciate as much. And those neighborhoods also tend to attract tenants that might not be as great. So you have to think usually over the long term, and this is what I found out myself when I first started doing some Section 8 properties, usually over the long term, the amount that you spend in renovations between tenants, vacancy, and repairs just over the year, it doesn't make that investment as quite as attractive as you might initially project it to be. The second type of a property would be one where you put a high, either it's a high cost because it's already finished, or it's a high cost because of the end project. When you finish everything up, let's say you have $160,000, $170,000 into a property, but those properties have very little maintenance once you're completed because you've completely renovated them. The other part about that that's really nice is those properties tend to be in neighborhoods that are better. They appreciate more. It grows your equity and value more, and it also attracts better tenants, so less turnover and just better return rates over time if you actually look at that on paper. So just want to give you an idea of those quick two tips. Myself, I started on the low end. I kind of turned my idea around and investing, moved to the high end. So things to think about, and hopefully you learned a little something.